Hello everyone. Hold on, wait. Let's make this a true video. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, so today's video is like super exciting. You already know by the title. Basically, in this box is the new M1 chip MacBook. And I saved up my money and bought this MacBook. I am so excited. I have waited so long. I ordered this the day after Christmas, and it is, what day is it? January 18th. I have as soon as I found out the day it was coming, I wrote it, and then on here, I wrote MacBook comes, and then I put a sticky note right up there. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. So it literally just came a few minutes ago. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're first just I'm gonna get some scissors. Hold on. Okay, we're just gonna open it like this. Now, oh my gosh. Okay, so here it is. The box is so thick, it's thicker than I thought. Okay, interesting. Okay, so this is the MacBook Air, the 2020 13-inch MacBook Air, 8 gigabytes memory, and then 256 gigabytes of storage. Or so, I don't know. Okay, so I'm so excited. All right, let's go ahead and just, I'm going to try to tilt it down a little bit so you can see it better. Okay. So I'm just going to break the seal. I'll break it on this side so you can see. Okay. Okay, did it even? Yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, so here it is now. Let's just do it. Okay, ready? Okay. Let's center it. It's almost as big as me. Oh, by the way, it's in this color silver. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, look. Okay. We're going to set that to the side. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay. So now we're gonna see what all is in the box. Here's what it looks like. So we've got the charger. So we'll go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm getting so excited. Okay, and then we've got oh, no way! It's silver Apple stickers? Wait, you might not be able to tell, but those are for sure silver, not white. I didn't know that. Okay, I did not know that. Okay, and then we've just got some information, whatever comes in this little box. I'm actually shaking. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm very excited. Okay, and then we've got the charging block. I'm like actually shaking. Okay, and then apparently like this just it goes in there, and then this goes to your computer. Okay, now let's put that to the side, and let's go ahead. I'm gonna open up the MacBook, and I'll put it to the side so you can kind of see also. So this is what I see. And then we'll just take this part off. Okay, now I'm gonna set it up. Okay, so first thing I want to do is see if I can download Final Cut Pro, because there is like family sharing, and so apparently you can do that with Final Cut Pro. Okay, it's downloading, with family sharing, since my dad already bought Final Cut Pro, I can go ahead and just download it. It's awesome. Okay, so that is downloading. So, while that's downloading, I'm gonna go ahead and so here's what it looks like. And I don't want all of these apps at the bottom because I'm not gonna use them all. So I want to go ahead and, first I want to set up messages and FaceTime. Okay. It's working. It's working. I'm probably gonna maybe do a whole. I'm probably gonna do a whole another video on customizing. Oh, it's already there. Oh, but it didn't save all my messages. Oh wait, do I have to set up contacts? To go to contacts. I'm going to finish setting this up and figuring out everything, and then I'll be back to y'all. Okay, so I think that is the end of this video, because I'll probably do a whole other video on customizing my MacBook, or I'll just do what's on my MacBook. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm super excited, and yeah, so stay tuned for what's on my MacBook. I'll definitely for sure be doing lots more MacBook videos, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe for lots more MacBook videos. I'll definitely be doing some of those. So yeah, peace out.